A bottom stapler is an effective packaging solution for industrial sealing of heavy box bottoms in a low-volume production environment. Sometimes called a foot stapler, this tool uses a wide crown staple to create the kind of strong and consistent closure needed in an industrial environment. As one can see, the bottom stapler is very simple to use. Simply load the correct size carton staple in the magazine, then gently slide the staples forward. Finally, place the box as shown here. Presto! A box stapled in this fashion can handle heavy loads without breaking and present a consistent and professional appearance to the buyer.